Welcome to the club, Danny. It's great to have you on board as part of the team and also the coaching staff. You've already said on socials that you're really excited to start working with Tosh and Steve. Is that the main reason you wanted to make the switch?
Yeah, I was really excited about the prospect of doing that. So obviously I got to play with Evo and Tosh, and it was a great experience for me at the time when I was a younger player. But obviously I'm a bit more experienced now. So yeah, I'm looking to bring something different to the table and obviously be a part of their backroom staff as well, which I'm really excited about.
No, that's great. You've obviously got plenty of experience, which you just mentioned, which is going to come in really useful this year.
Yeah.
It seems the squad that Evo's putting together, that's a good blend of kind of experienced players and younger heads as well.
Yeah, so obviously, you know, the main part for me this year really is obviously to be a player first, and obviously on the other hand be a coach as well. So I'm obviously looking to help the boys as much as I can when I'm on the pitch, and obviously when I'm off it at times as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and I think it's a great challenge for us going into the Welsh Prem this year.
Yeah. We played Connah's Quay last season, also the season before.
Yeah.
Don't want to talk about that one, but last year, what did you see as our sort of strengths and weaknesses when you played us?
Well, it was a very youthful side at the time, and it was full of pace, energy, and stuff like that. I think on the day at Connah's Quay, we had a lot of experienced boys, and we were in obviously the season before I didn't get to play in that game, so we got to play Colwyn in pre-season. I was very impressed with him on that day. So I was sort of half dreading the cup game, obviously with the experience of the previous season. So yeah, I think our experience at the time told. So
yeah,
I think
it definitely did on the day.
Yeah. But I think we got an early goal at the time, and going into the second half, I thought Colwyn dominated the game from them, but we were 2-0 up, so we were good at sitting back and obviously holding on to that lead. But yeah, it's a youthful side, and you know they're really wanting to kick on and do well for themselves individually as well, which is great. So it's really exciting.
Yeah. So it's our first season in the Welsh Prem. What qualities do you think that we need to bring to be successful this season?
Basically, I think you just got to take the game to the opposition. To be honest with you, I think you win your individual battles, and obviously the quality that we've got in the squad moving forward can really come to the fore. And you know, it's an exciting time, maybe a bit of a shock factor for some of the sides as well. So it's a really exciting time, and something that we can really get our teeth into.
Yeah, it would be totally different for us than last year, because last year we kind of like dominated teams, and you know we had to kind of attack and get the goals. And I think this season it will be, you know, obviously more balanced, but we'll see a different side to our game.
Yeah.
Are there any players in particular that you're looking forward to working with?
Yeah, obviously I know a few of the lads like Sam Hart and Jamie Cummins and stuff like that, Matty Hill.
Yeah.
Because I did a little bit of coaching at Riffin for my A licence, so I got to know them there.
Okay.
But obviously playing against the side last year, I was really impressed with Dylan. I was up against him on the day, and I realised how quick he was.
Yeah, he's fast.
So I think, if you've got that pace, then obviously I feel like you're halfway there. But I've played against Tom McCready before. I think he's a really good player. Cyril, the centre half, he's got a wonderful left foot. So some really good players in there, and I'm looking forward to obviously helping them as well as playing alongside them. Yeah.
If you had to pick one player that you've played with in the past to sort of put into the squad for this season, who would it be?
Oh, it's a difficult one really, because I've played with some really good players, but he's a really good mate of mine, and he's been ever present in the Welsh Prem. He's been in team of the season, so I'm just probably go for George Haran, because he's like, I've played alongside him for a long time, and his qualities, his leadership, he's unbelievable in the air, set pieces and stuff like that. Right. So I'm just probably vouch for him.
Good pick. And finally, have you got a message for the Bay supporters?
I mean, just thanks for all the messages, and I'm really looking forward to the season. Can't wait to get going, really.
Sounds great. Thanks very much for your time, and let's get on the pitch now.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. Get some
Good luck for the rest of the season.
Cheers, mate.
See ya.